Keep that red car in mind. I pass close to it here at the top of the screen. That little dot is me on my scooter zipping by. See, red car, keep it in mind. We're about to see my scooter again. But from where? Way over there. Was that a single light cycle? It was. Here's where my scooter came from before passing that car. It was a 0.7 mile journey. I completed the entire journey while the car was motionless. I noticed this a minute ago. So I took it out of my scooter out of the parking space right behind that building. This is what it looks like when I get to a junction. I get to pull all the way up to the front. A bunch of Colfax is closed for the BRT that's being built right now. So most of those lanes are actually kind of not usable. And then I pass through as soon as there's a gap. So here's this time, keep an eye on the pavement in front of that intersection that this car is going to pass through. Notice how much of the time it spends completely empty. A intersection that serves to move traffic through shouldn't be empty like that. In, first out. A traffic bean would allow first in, first out, constant utilization type thing, and they spent probably $1 million putting these lights in, which is sad. Ugh.